Now, if we come across and look at the NQ, very, very similar pattern in that I think we've got an A wave in to the lows we saw last week, A up, B back yesterday. Again, we tagged the 618 retrace. So I'm looking for this to push up higher now in the C wave of the larger B. And again, bringing it down the timescales, I'm looking for a move to 75.40 in the NQ next. And it's got to take its various resistance levels above out along the way to doing just that. If I then bring it down to the day trading chart, same thing as the ES this morning, pushed up, came down and retested the lows. It gave you a nice day trade between the lines if you were up and about early and wanted that trade. Now it's all about whether we're going to push through this line this morning or whether we're going to come back down, revisit and even break this line. So let's see what the open brings. If you're not in position now, I would suggest that you wait until after the open next. Dow Jones, again, same thing. I'm looking higher up to 26,162 in this B wave. So I want to see the C up towards it. Continued strength is what I'm looking for in all the US indices this morning. And then the pattern here on the hourly chart, there's the A up. B back, again, 618 retrace fib, looking for it to take out the retraces against this and head up here, 26,169, 162 area, which would be the 618 retrace of the larger move down that we've seen recently in the Dow.